Hi guys, this is Angela D. Angelic Messenger. Just shooting this quick video. Not sure when I'm going to post it, but today is, I think it's, ooh, let me double check. Yeah, it's about 10 o'clock and today is September 6th, 2020. I know it's 2020. We all know it's 2020. And I'm just going to show you my hair is in good condition. I have not had any real issues or problems with the pandemic because I know that sometimes stress can cause things to happen to your hair. But I've been staying on my simple homemade hair products that I've been making called Rusty's Curly Q. And I want you guys to get ready for Prime Day coming in October on Amazon because I'm going to be restocking my inventory. So this is what my hair looks like. It's been in this same hairstyle, which just two, since I washed it like 7 or 8 days ago. As you can tell, it's very soft. And I wish I had a better camera. I need to get a better camera. But you know, I had someone stop me in Jungle Gyms the other day and ask me, you know, how do you moisturize your hair? And I don't. I used to moisturize my hair. I don't bother doing that anymore. I try to put everything in my gel. Here's my gel that I've been using. And I'm going to just throw my hair together really quick because we're working on the roof on the back porch. And going to be outside sweaty and stuff. But the great thing about this, my product line, is your hair doesn't turn real frizzy. You can see my hair is not terribly frizzy. It's got a little frizz, but it's not terribly frizzy. It's soft. It's moisturized. And I'm just going to put things back together really quickly. I'm going to put them into almost like a modified space bun. And I'm not going to use any water. You can see my hair is dry. It's not wet. I'm using my product. I would tell you guys during this pandemic, if you have a product or a service or something and you need to supplement your income, go ahead and do it. And I just rub my hands together. I know, sounds squishy. And I start at the ends like this. I have a mirror right here, so this is where I'm looking. And I just massage it through. And since I'm not really going anywhere, I'm not going to go into a lot of the root and going in and separating it. I would do that if I was going somewhere and I really needed my hair to look fantastic. But I'm just sitting in my office / sewing room in my house and getting ready to go on the roof. My nephew and I bought this house about 3 years ago. And so we do a lot of DIY stuff here at the house. And we've got to work on that back roof, and that's what we're working on today. And then this is back. Bring it on to the end. Then take my trusty brush. I think it's a goodie brush. I've had this brush since I was in my 20s, I'm sure. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I just kind of gather it like that. I use a brush just to kind of brush things in a little bit. Then I position it. And I'm still using banana clips. Isn't that cute? I leave it, but the problem is, like I said, we're going on the roof. We'll be outside, and I don't want bugs in my hair. So I separate it, twist it like this. Just two gigantic twists. Then I take this bobby pin, pin it under right here, and lock it down. Gotta put my glasses back on and see how this looks. It looks good. I don't see. That's good. And let's do the other side. Take some gel. Since this side is a small, it's like my part is like off centered. Here's the gel. Probably stir it up a little more than that. Ooh, not that much. Okay, so that's what I have left. And I'm going to take this, smush it together, and start on the ends. It kind of glopped on it, but it'll be alright. And I just kind of, so my ends are looking like, they're not looking bad at all. I need to do a serious trim. I need to do that. Okay, I just need a little bit more. That'll be it. I put this back in the refrigerator. I'll put it right here. The great thing about this gel that I use is that the hair really drinks it up throughout the day. And so I don't have, as you see, my hair is not dry and stiff and unruly. It's really manageable. Okay, let me do, I'll turn this way so you can see the back. And I take it in my hand like this for the back, and I just kind of smash it around. Okay, take the brush. And this clip, I need to put my glasses on because I try to make them balanced. Let's see. All right. All right. And then I'm just going to split it in two, take one under, and twist it like I did the other side. Take my trusty clip. I'm going to bring it under. under the clip. Then I'm going to lock it in. And I'm done. That took me about 10 minutes. It's not perfect. Natural hair never is. But going on day, 8 or 9, I can live with it. Especially since I'm in the yard. And I didn't use any water because I don't need to. And let me brush this in a little bit. Now as the days go by, it does get harder for my hair to kind of lay down on the edges, but if I wanted to, I could put a little more on there. Let's see. If I wanted to make it look really special. No, it's not special, believe me. It's just trying to touch up the edges a little. Not with the baby hair space, but this is just, that's where I fell when I was little. That's a scar. Ain't no hair grows on that scar, it never has. But if you want it to do a little something, something, it's entirely possible. I have these little sideburns right here that sometimes I'll do a little something, something with them, sometimes not. But okay, let's see. All right, that looks good and presentable. I got a little bit left. I don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna put it on the top right here. It's got moisturizing properties like aloe vera, nutritious oils and things for your hair. So here's the front. Let's see if I can do the back. And there's the back. Oh, they almost look like real space buns in the back. So that's it for today. Hey, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, comment, stay healthy, and stay masked. Thanks for watching.